Well, I think common data environment is a tricky term. And I think if you go to any construction customer today, they're going to probably tell you that depending on the project, they've got more than one common data environment, because the nature of construction is such that you've got all these different stakeholders coming together for a construction project that will never happen again. And on the next project, it's a different group of people, and they all bring their own data environment. They all think theirs is the common data environment, and that may only exist for a project.
A common place to store project data. This could be cost data, this could be schedule data, this could be design data. But then when you start talking to customers, there is one thing that is that's coming up and very common, which is common is a myth. There is not one place where data is going to come and sit together. Data is going to be in different sources. The best anyone can do is connect the data.
You have native sources of data. It might be the map source, for example. Why would you move that source to yours if you could just connect to that and use it where it is?
The other challenge we face is that, the concept of the single source of truth is an important concept, but it depends on the persona. If you're an accountant, the ERP is your single source of truth. If you're the BIM manager, the model is your single source of truth. If you're the engineer, the structural model may be your single source of truth.
That data set gets bigger and bigger and bigger. I think you have to get away from that concept of it being central to it being connected. We have to sort of deal with a lot of that data where it lives, because otherwise we're gonna start to hit roadblocks in management of that data and understanding of that data and cataloging of that data.
The idea of a connected data environment for me is really this idea of, can we digitally replicate that town square concept that is the reality of a construction project, where you need people to intimately be working together on the work that they're doing such that they can collaborate and do things in the way that they need to. Can we do the same thing with their technology to better empower them to work together in that connected environment?